Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the X-speed indicator for MT4. This 100% non-repainting system uses green and red arrows combined with an oscillator for trend confirmation, providing easy signals suitable for any trading style. In this video, you will see how the X-speed system works, how signals are interpreted, and which trading strategies are described. As I previously said, the XP trading system for MT4 is 100% non-repainting, easy to use, and suitable for any style of trading, though its effectiveness will directly depend on your trading approach. It consists of two indicators, the entry indicator displaying green and red arrows, and the oscillator for trend confirmation. When entering the market, traders are guided only by the two indicators, requiring a match between the readings of the entry indicator and oscillator. You can see it on the chart. The X-speed system provides easy signals with green arrows pointing upwards for buy and red arrows pointing downwards for sell, making interpretation simple. For buy signals, traders look for a green arrow from the entry indicator combined with the oscillator. For sell signals, traders watch for a red arrow with the oscillator. As for the settings, let's see what we have. We have settings for shift, drawbars, speed, and back speed. You can customize all of this. You can also choose our preferred colors and also trade on our preferred time frames as well. As for who is for, the X-speed indicator is suitable for traders looking for non-repainting signals across any time frame, fully suitable for scalping, day trading, or swing trading on any currency pairs, with major pairs recommended. Trading time is flexible, though London and New York trading sessions are recommended for optimal performance, and the system is recommended for use with brokers like Forex, XM, and FTMO. However, it is not to be used as a standalone strategy for exits or entries, but as part of a broader strategy with risk management. You can download the X-speed indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview highlights how combining entry arrows with oscillator confirmation creates a non-repeating system with clear green and red signals for multiple trading styles. If you like easy to read non-repainting indicators with dual confirmation, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 tutorials.